Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your suggested for you on Facebook. But first, you need to download Facebook. And here, let's click Facebook. And for your information guys, this is a fake account. And now let's go to the three lines on the bottom, which is menu beside notifications. Let's go to menu and then let's scroll down and then let's click settings and privacy and let's go to settings and then let's go down to our permissions. So here you can see location. Let's stop location and then let's click never. So let's go to our device settings. So here iOS settings, let's turn it off. Let's click never and then let's go to Facebook and then it shows never. So yeah, that's it. That's how you turn off your suggested for you on Facebook. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.